Transform your home into a haven of luxury this holiday season with the enchanting sparkle of crystal-themed Christmas decor. Combining sophistication with festive warmth, this design trend elevates traditional holiday aesthetics into a dazzling experience. From shimmering tree ornaments to gleaming table settings, discover how crystal-inspired decor can redefine your celebrations with timeless elegance. Start with a lush, full Christmas tree, whether real or artificial, to serve as the ideal backdrop for your crystal decor. Opt for one in frosted or snow-kissed finishes to enhance the shimmering effect. A neutral green or white tree creates the perfect canvas for crystal embellishments. Adorn your tree with an array of crystal ornaments, such as icicles, snowflakes, and teardrop shapes. Incorporate reflective metallic accents in silver or champagne gold for added depth and brilliance. The interplay of light and crystal ensures a magical, glowing ambience. Use sheer ribbons with metallic threads to weave elegance through your tree. Pair this with garlands featuring glass beads or faux crystals for a cohesive, opulent look. These layers create a multidimensional effect that enhances the tree's luxurious charm. Choose cool white LED lights to amplify the sparkle of your crystal decor. Strategically wrap the lights around the tree's branches to illuminate every detail. The gentle glow highlights the clarity and beauty of the ornaments. Complete the tree with a crystal-inspired topper, such as a starburst or angel crafted from glass and crystals. This crowning piece ties the theme together, creating a show-stopping centerpiece for your holiday decor. Start with a foundation of crisp white or light silver tablecloths, adding a runner with sequined or beaded embellishments. These elements provide a polished base that enhances the table's crystal accents. Incorporate glass or crystal chargers paired with fine porcelain plates rimmed in metallic hues. Add cutlery with sleek finishes like brushed gold or silver to maintain the luxurious feel. Crystal goblets and champagne flutes are a must for elevating the overall aesthetic. Anchor your table with a stunning centerpiece made from glass candlesticks, crystal vases, and frosted floral arrangements. Surround the centerpiece with small, reflective ornaments or glass beads to enhance the sparkle. Use crystal-embellished napkin rings to hold textured napkins in place. Choose colors like silver gray or icy blue to complement the theme. These small details create a cohesive and elegant look. Incorporate candles in crystal holders for a soft, romantic glow. Use LED lights in decorative glass domes as an alternative for a modern touch. Lighting is key to setting a warm, inviting atmosphere at your table. Begin with a garland enhanced with frosted greenery and faux snow. Drape it across the mantel for a lush, wintry look. Choose garlands with integrated LED lights to add sparkle effortlessly. Arrange crystal figurines, glass ornaments, and mirror decor along the mantel. Opt for symmetrical placement to create a balanced, sophisticated display that draws the eye. Add varying heights of crystal candlesticks or glass hurricane lamps to the mantel. Use candles in soft, neutral tones for a seamless blend with the other decor elements. The flickering candlelight amplifies the sparkle of the crystals. Integrate metallic accents like gold or silver reindeer figurines or snowflake sculptures. These metallic touches enhance the depth and contrast of the display, making it feel even more luxurious. Incorporate hanging crystal ornaments below the mantel or along the fireplace frame. These dangling elements add movement and extra shine to the overall design, perfect for creating a dynamic focal point in the room. Enhance your window frames with frosted garlands or icicle-shaped lights. This creates a winter-inspired border that sets the stage for a magical display. Use clear adhesive frost patterns on the glass to mimic the beauty of icy snowflakes. Hang crystal ornaments at varying heights from curtain rods or ceiling hooks above the window. Choose shapes like stars, snowflakes, or teardrops, and let natural light bring out their sparkle during the day. Use translucent white or silver curtains to add depth to your window display. The soft fabric allows light to filter through, creating a dreamy, ethereal effect that complements the crystal elements. Add fairy lights or LED strips around the window frame for nighttime brilliance. Choose warm or cool tones based on your room's color palette to enhance the luxurious ambience. The lights highlight the crystal accents, making them appear even more radiant. Place glass candle holders, frosted figurines, or miniature Christmas trees along the sill. These accents create a cohesive look and provide a charming view both inside and out, spreading the holiday spirit to passersby. Line your walkways with crystal-like lanterns or glass globe lights to guide guests to your home. Use frosted luminaries filled with LED lights for a whimsical yet elegant touch. These additions create a welcoming first impression. Frame your entryway with garlands featuring faux snow, crystals, and silver accents. Add a crystal-studded wreath on the door for a festive yet luxurious focal point that captures the eye. Incorporate pre-lit crystal or acrylic trees in your garden. These decorative trees mimic the sparkle of ice, adding a sophisticated touch to your outdoor decor. Pair them with reflective ornaments for extra shine. Decorate patio furniture with crystal-embellished throw pillows or blankets in metallic tones. Use clear glass or acrylic furniture pieces to maintain a cohesive theme, ensuring your outdoor space feels both festive and upscale. Use spotlights or uplighting to illuminate crystal accents in your outdoor decor. These lights emphasize the shimmer of the decorations and create a magical atmosphere during evening gatherings or casual strolls around your yard. Incorporating crystal-inspired decor into your holiday design elevates your space into a luxurious winter wonderland. Whether indoors or outdoors, the shimmering beauty of crystal elements creates an unforgettable ambience. Let this year's Christmas celebration be a testament to timeless elegance and radiant joy, spreading sparkle and sophistication throughout your home.